That's why scientists say eureka all the time when they actually figure it out, because they fail so much.
Are you going to find the cure for cancer?
Yes, next week. Honestly, I've always wanted to be a scientist. I remember taking a class early on in elementary school, just something very basic, back in Mexico in this really small lab. I just knew that's what I wanted to do. And fortunately, I was right. I really enjoy science. The focus of my research has been to really try to identify some new targets, some new places where a drug or some sort of treatment can just get in there, stop the process, and prevent cells from dividing. What you're doing is you're trying to push the boundaries of knowledge. You're trying to go into somewhere in a direction that no one has ever gone. So you will fail, but you will learn in the process. There's no learning without failing. The great thing about being a scientist is you learn stuff every day. Just new things every day. There's never a dull moment in science, that's for sure. This is Rancho Cucamonga, and I really like the area where we live. Being able to go back home and being with the family, with the wife and kids, it really just made a difference. And just getting the strength to come back the next day, even though I failed miserably the day before. Personally, I don't see a conflict at all of being a man of faith and a man of science. We search for truth. We try all sorts of ways to approach truth, and we test all of our different approaches. The only way to know God is to experiment and really have an experience with God. Otherwise, it's just something that's in a book, something that people talk about. But it isn't until you experience yourself that you can really know the truth. And that really is the scientific process. You have a hypothesis of something, and then you test it by doing experiments. And those experiments will tell you a conclusion, And that is exactly the same way I feel about my spirituality. I'm in a search for truth. And I want to know God, and I want to know and understand where I come from, who I am, where I'm going. My name is Sergio Sanchez. I am a man of science. I'm a man of faith. I'm a husband, I'm a father, and I am a Mormon.